Okay, how the matrix are used in computer graphics. Okay, if earlier the architecture, cartoon and automation were done by hand drawing, nowadays they are done by using computer graphics. Okay, the square matrices are very easily represented in linear transformation. A square matrix, suppose we are doing the square matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, we can easily represent in terms of linear transformation from some equation ax equal to a b. Okay, so these are object are in three-dimensional image into two-dimensional plane, three-dimensional image into two-dimensional plane. Already we have discussed how to convert into two dimension to the three dimension. So these are the effect of the computer graphics. Mechanical and computer student are note this part, the computer graphics. They are a vast application in your field. Okay, so these are the some application of this computer matrices in computer graphics. Then next, a cryptography. How the cryptography is used? How the this cryptography is used? Means suppose we also discussed that cryptography also. Now how they decode and all these things. ते आपण पाहिले ना.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So
Yes,
we
sir.
directly go to the matrices in wireless communication. How the matrices are used in wireless communication? आय थिंक त्याच्यावर पण आपण डिस्कशन केलेलं आहे वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन वरती. कोणी सांगू शकतं का?
फ्रिक्वेन्सी मॅच करायची.
हा, matrices are used to model the wireless signal. Matrices are used to wireless signal and to optimize them for detection, extraction and processing of the information embedded in a signal of matrix are used. म्हणजे एफएम चं आपण जे उदाहरण घेतलं होतं, एफएम काय करतंय? फ्रिक्वेन्सी कॅच करायचा प्रयत्न करतात, फ्रिक्वेन्सी मॅच करायचा प्रयत्न करतात. दॅट इज यूज ऑफ मॅट्रायसेस. सो हाऊ द मॅट्रिक्स आर यूज? मी त्याचं एक काय करतो, एक त्याची एक वर्ड फाईल टाकून तयार करून तुम्हाला ते तुमच्या ग्रुपवरती सेंड करतो, म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळून जाईल किंवा मॅट्रिक्सचा यूज कसा होऊ शकतो ते. ओके, सो वी डायरेक्टली गो टू द आवर syllabus. Today we directly go to our syllabus. Okay, without waste our time. So there are the vast application of these matrices. Matrices also used to find area of a triangle. Where, okay, means vast application of these matrices. We know this. Okay, so we directly go to the our syllabus. So first of all, we see the syllabus of that matrices. The first unit is definition, type of matrix, in that symmetric, skew symmetric, orthogonal matrix, rank of matrix, canonical form of or normal form of matrix. Okay, what is the definition of symmetric, skew symmetric, orthogonal matrix, rank of matrix, canonical form or normal form of matrix? हे थोडक्यात दिलेलं आहे, पण ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण जास्त घेणार आहे type of matrix. There are the 19 type of the matrix. We are start with row matrix, end with nilpotent matrix. Okay, first matrix is row, column, upper row, column, rectangular, square, and all these things continue in this way. Okay, and end with nilpotent or idempotent matrix. Okay, then we are start with rank of matrix. How to find the rank of matrix? By using just simple calculation by using row echelon form or column echelon form. Just we are doing only row echelon form. We use find to rank. Then canonical form or normal form of the matrix. Then next, system of simultaneous linear equation. There are the two system. One is a homogeneous and second is non-homogeneous system. And we have find if system exists, then we know that. If system exists, then we know that how to solve that system. how to solve that 16. Okay, then next third point, linear dependence and independence of vector. Cayley-Hamilton theorem, inverse by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, linear dependence and independence, this is a part of a next part of the system. Cayley-Hamilton theorem, just we have seen that by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we have find rank, we have find A inverse, we have find A square, A cube, A raised to 4, A raised to 5, everything we have find by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. And inverse by using Cayley-Hamilton, that we have also note that inverse, to find inverse. Okay, so these are the basic part of the matrices. Then next we have see the next part, eigenvalue and eigenvector and their properties. Eigenvalue and eigenvector and their properties. Okay, so these are the some of syllabus of this matrices. So we are starting with a very basic part, determinant. How to find determinant? All of you know that how to find determinant. Sagala mahiti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to find determinant? Okay. So I will give you one example for find a determinant. So tell me what is the determinant of that term? Okay. Priyanka, just mute yourself. So write down the example. Tell me what is determinant of this matrix. Sorry, this determinant. 2 minus 5, 3, 0, 7, minus 2, minus 1, 4, 1. Tell me what is determinant of this matrix. What is the first element is 2. In chat window, directly privately tell me. In chat window मध्ये प्रत्येकाने मला सांगा. Still waiting for some answer. Sakshi, Pawan, Sakshi and Pawan Shinde, please check your calculation. Aditya, check your calculation. Sohail, check your calculation. Sakshi, check your calculation. Akshay, check your calculation. Pritesh, check your calculation. Shivani Shinde, check your calculation. Sandhya, check your calculation. Snehal Kore, check your calculation. Purva Jagtap, check your calculation. Jahangir Dar, check your calculation. Sonali Khude, check your calculation. Aisha, check your calculation. Aditya, check your calculation. Aditya Gokhale, check your calculation. Shilpa, check your calculation. Pratik, check your calculation. Sandhya, Sandhya Tule, check your calculation. Sohail, it's wrong, check your calculation. Disha, check your calculation. Priyanka, yes, right. Purva, check your calculation. मी ज्यांचं नाव घेतो त्यांनी स्वतःचं कॅल्क्युलेशन चेक करा. मी ज्यांचं नाव घेतो त्यांचं कॅल्क्युलेशन चेक करा. दादा लेक्चरला परत फोन करतो. प्रसाद. Sanskriti, check your calculation. Vaishnavi, Purgule, check your calculation. Aisha, it's wrong. Check your calculation. Purva, it's wrong. Check your calculation. Aisha, it's wrong. Vaishnavi, it's wrong. Check your calculation. Yes, check your calculation. Right कोणाचं ते सांगतो मी. Sakshi, you're wrong. Check your calculation. Pawan Shinde, check your calculation. Madhuri Shinde, it's right. Madhuri, right. Nikita Pure, it's right. Shiv Prasad Karande is right. Ranjit Sarve, it's right. Sohel Sayyed, check your calculation. Dhanashri Lokhande, it's right. Shreyash Kadam, it's right. Ritesh, it's right. Nikita Pure, it's right. Prasad Thorat, right. Aditya Gokhale, it's wrong. Pritik Apse, right. Priyanka Pawar, right. Anuja Pile, right. Sakshi Salvittal, it's wrong. Akshay Gadde, wrong. Pratish, it's wrong. Shivani Shende, it's wrong. Ranjit Saravle, right. Reshma Sadgile, oh sorry, I pronounce, please correct. It's right. Sadhya Tule is wrong. Nikita Pure, right. Snehal Pure, wrong. Purva Jagtap, wrong. Shaba Jagindar, wrong. Sonali Kude, wrong. Aisha Tambuli, wrong. Aditya Kukle, wrong. Vanita Randive, right. Shilpa Busnar, wrong. Pratish again wrong. Nikita Pure, right. Namrata Kumbar, right. Soel Sayyed, wrong. Sandhya Tule, wrong. Diksha Andanate, wrong. Anuja Bile, it's right. Priyanka Pawar, right. Ranjit Saravle, right. Purva Jagtap, wrong. Sakshi Salvittal, right. Now right. Nikita Pure, now right. Pragati Gove, right. Pawan Shinde, now right. Sanskriti Jadhav, wrong. Prasad, what's your answer? Please chat me again. Shilpa Busnar, right. Vaishnavi Burkale, wrong. Aisha Tamboli, again wrong. Yash Kaular, wrong. Snehal Kore, right. Nikita Pure, right. Sohel Sayyed, wrong. Sonali Kude, right. Pradnya Mane, right. Shahbaz Jagindar, again wrong. Ansar Sutar, wrong. Anurag Shinde, right. Purva Jagtap, now right. Sandhya Tule, wrong. Shivani Shinde, right. Pranali Misa, wrong. Ansar Sutar, now it's wrong. Sohel Sayed, again wrong. Aisha Tambui, now it is right. Diksha Andadate, wrong. Sohel Sayed, wrong. Yesh Kaulwar, right. Pranali Misal, wrong. Yesh Kaulwar, now right. Ashish Borade, right. Sandeep Khetke, right. Naneshwar Maitre, right. Yesh Kaulwar, right. Pratish, now right. Diksha Andadate, now right. Sandhya Tule, now right. Saifa Patel, right. Ansar Sutar, now right. मी ज्यांचं रॉंग बोललोय त्यांनी प्लीज अनम्यूट करा, मला सांगा बरं आन्सर ज्यांचं रॉंग बोललोय. Pranali Misal, please unmute yourself and tell me how your answer is 29. Pranali Misal, roll number 40. How it is answer is 29? It's wrong now. Check your calculation, Pranali.
Yes, sir.
Check your calculation. Diksha, okay, right. Diksha, right. Okay. So answer is 41. Answer is 41. Answer is 41. Still 7 people are doing wrong way. I don't know, that is some plus or minus there. Okay, so the calculation is here. 2 into 7 plus 8 plus 5 into 0 minus 2 plus 3 into 0 plus 7. 7 plus 8, 15, 15 into 2 is 30. Then 5 minus 2 minus 10 and plus 21. So what is the answer? 30 minus 10, 20, 20 plus 21 is 41 is the answer, is right one. 41 is the answer, is right one. Okay, check your calculation. Still you are doing the wrong one. ज्यांनी चुकीचं केलंय त्यांनी ऍक्च्युअली काय झालं, कॅल्क्युलेशन तुमची थोडीशी चुकल्यामुळे काहीतरी चुकलं असेल, असून द्या. चेक युअर कॅल्क्युलेशन. So we are doing the introduction. The arrangement of number in equal number of horizontal and vertical line written between two vertical line is called as determinant. The arrangement of a number in equal number of horizontal and vertical line written between the two vertical lines is called as determinant. The basic definition in yellow standard we have seen this definition. Okay, fastly go to. So what is the row is called as? The horizontal arrangement is called as. Just a simple way. आपलं जे बिल्डिंग आहे बिल्डिंगला बीम म्हणजे रो झाला आणि कॉलम म्हणजे जो कॉलम असतो त्याला कॉलम म्हणतात. रो अँड कॉलम. जो व्हर्टिकल जो बीम साइड झाली आहे बीम ओके हॉरिझॉन्टल बीम झाले त्याला काय म्हणतात रो म्हणतात आणि जो उभा असतो वर्टिकल त्याला कॉलम म्हणतात. ओके दॅट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रो अँड कॉलम. देन लीडिंग डायगोनल. व्हॉट इज लीडिंग डायगोनल? दॅट इज द प्रिन्सिपल डायगोनल. जो मधला असतो तो प्रिन्सिपल डायगोनल असतो. देन नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिटरमिनंट. व्हॉट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिटरमिनंट? देन there is no need to note this because this is just the introduction. Just the introduction of this. मी कुठून स्टार्ट करणार आहे तुम्हाला सांगेल. कुठून स्टार्ट करायचं आहे ते सांगेल मी तुम्हाला. तुम्ही नोटबुक प्रत्येकाने केली असेल. पहिलं पेज तुमचं सिलेबस असेल. 2 पेज सिलेबस असतील ते सोडून द्यायचं आणि तिसऱ्या पेज पासून तुम्ही मॅट्रिक्स स्टार्ट करायचं आहे आणि त्या पेजला मी सांगेल काय स्टार्ट करायचं लिहायचं. आता जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन त्याच्यामुळे नोट करायची गरज नाही. येस प्रसाद? येस प्रसाद?
तुम्ही सर होल सिलेबस कधी शेअर करणार आहात?
सिलेबस शेअर केला की मी. सिलेबस कधी शेअर केला? आय थिंक मला वाटतं 3-4 दिवस झाले सिलेबस शेअर करून ना. हॅलो ह्याला नाही का टेलिग्राम ग्रुपला नाही का तुम्ही प्रसाद?
हो आहे की सर. मी चेक
टेलिग्राम ग्रुपला मी म्हणजे आमच्या ऍडमिनने सेंड केलेला आहे तो सिलेबस. तुम्ही पाहिलंय का?
ओके सर.
हो हा चेक करा एकदा. नसेल तर मग तुम्हाला पर्सनली मला काय करा व्हॉट्सअपला हाय करा. मी तुम्हाला व्हॉट्सअपला सेंड करतो किंवा टेलिग्रामला हाय करा. टेलिग्रामला तुम्हाला पर्सनली सेंड करतो जर नसेल सिलेबस तुमच्याकडे आला असेल तर. ओके
हो सर.
So we'll start with that. The term, just the introduction. There is no need to write on this one. Just the introduction. Then next, what is the determinant? How to write a determinant? Determinant is also denoted by the 3 letter. Which 3 letter? Delta, D, or determinant of A. These are the 3 notation to note the determinant. Then next, my WhatsApp number is 9860502876. Okay. So then this is the notation how to write on that equation. This is the equation and we know that how to write on this equation in terms of a matrix form. This we know that already in 11th standard and 12th standard we see this. Okay. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा जो घेणार आहे तो आपण कशा फॉर्म मध्ये घ्यायचा आहे? कोएफिशिएंट मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये A2 B2. नंतर जो घेणार तो एलिमेंट फॉर्म मध्ये आणि नंतर जो घेणार आहे कॉन्स्टंट. ओके सो इन दिस वे वी आर राइट ऑन दिस. ओके सो वी नो दैट हाउ टू फाइंड डिटरमिनंट. ओके हा जो पहिला रो आहे डिटरमिनंट काढायचा जस्ट माहिती सगळ्यांना जस्ट मी फास्टली एक्सप्लेन करतो. हा जो पहिला रो आहे डिटरमिनंट कसा काढला जातो? A1 into minor of this 1. What is minor of 1? A1 1. First row and first column delete करायचा म्हणजे काय? B2 C2 B3 C3. Then minus B1 परत काय? A2 C2 A3 C3 plus C1 A2 V2 A3 and B3. In this we find a determinant. In this way we find a determinant. Okay. Then next, to find determinant of it, tell me what is the answer of this one. Tell me what is the answer of this one. Just you got some 1 minute. Within 1 minute, tell me the answer. Yes, fastly. Saifa Patel, what is your roll number? Patel Saifa, what is your roll number? Again, some people are doing mistake. Yeah, I don't know what. No, you do not get the roll number. No problem. Abhijit Babar, how it is 236? I don't know. Sohail, what is your roll number? Sohail Sayed. Sohail, what is your roll number? Vanita, it's wrong one. Sohail, what is your roll number? Sohail Sayed. Sayed Sohail, what is your roll number? Shubham, it's wrong one. Shubham. Diksha, wrong. Purva is right. Sohail, what is your roll number, Sohail? Sohail, are you there? Okay, still some people are doing wrong. Yes, what is your roll number, Sohail? Still, the answer is 124. I don't know the Shubham. Then Shivani are doing some mistake. Shivani Shende doing mistake. Shubham doing mistake. Then Vanita. The answer is 124. Answer is 124. How we don't know how you are doing the mistake. These are the simple one. If you are wrong, then still you are doing the wrong one. I don't know. Aditya, it's wrong one. Aditya, Namrata Kumbar, it's wrong. Namrata Kumbar, it's wrong. Aditya Gokli, it's wrong. Yes, 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 yes. We can. You can, yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. Tell me.
124.
Yes, is right one. Yes. 124 is the answer, but the some people are some our friend are doing wrong one na. It's a basic thing. We know how to wrong the determinant. Middle term is 0. पहिला जो
Yes, sir.
दुसरा जो आहे तो 0 आहे. बाकीचे कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे. दोन गोष्टी तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेट. Yes.
First -8 plus 132 येते. 124 is equal to.
हा, 124 is right. Yes, no doubt. पण काही आपले जे मित्र आहेत ते चुकीचं करतायत. काय रेश्माने चुकीचं केलेलं आहे, माधुरी रॉंग करतायत. त्यानंतर आणखीन
Sir, answer is 124.
124 ना. येस इज राईट. शिवमनी सुरुवातीला रॉंग केलं, शिवानीने पण रॉंग केलं आहे. त्यानंतर आणखीन 114 साक्षीने चुकीचं काढलंय. कॅल्क्युलेशन मला माहित नाही. तुम्ही अभिजितने तर 236 काढलं. आय डोंट नो. अभिजित कॅन यू शेअर युअर फोटो प्लीज? कॅन यू शेअर युअर फोटो अभिजित? Okay, so so these are the determinant of that term. So check how to calculate. पहा आता मी कॅल्क्युलेट करतोय. मित्रांनो चुकू नका रे, बेसिक गोष्टी आहेत. पहिल्यांदा 1 into determinant of this one 2546 minus 0.
0.
सेकंड घ्यायची गरज नाही तरी आपण लिहूया 7536 आणि प्लस 6 into 7234. Just doing the two calculation. What two calculation? 26 12 मध्ये मायनस असतात 20
minus 20
0
-20.
28 minus 6.
-6.
Answer is 20 वजा 12
minus 8
-8.
plus 132
Plus 132.
132
124.
This is just simple answer. How don't know who is doing the wrong one, I think. Just this is the step. This is the step to solve the determinant, value of determinant. आपल्याला सपोज जे आयनोडचा काढायचा आहे 1 1 ला, 2 2 ला, 3 3 ला. That's the basic thing. Just we need the cross multiplication of this one to this one. हे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि त्यानंतर 1 into 2 into 6 minus 4 into 5 minus that one. So your answer is 124. Answer is 124. Okay, you do you one more. Okay, this is the last one, then we stop here. Take the one more answer example. Now we take that more minus sign. More minus sign, huh?
Yes, sir.
होया. कोण लवकर सॉल्व करतं त्याला माझ्याकडून एक चॉकलेट. पण कधी माहिती ना?
कॉलेज सुरू झालं.
हा, नाही तर आता देतो चॉकलेट तुम्हाला. काय नाही, आता सगळ्यांना मी चॉकलेट सेंड करतो पार्शली. इमेज सगळ्यांना शेअर करतो. हा, ओके. कॉलेज चालू सगळ्यांना माझ्याकडे एक चॉकलेट. 2 0 minus 1. minus 2 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 1 3 2 0 minus 1. Tell me the answer. तोपर्यंत अटेंडन्स पहा मी घेतलेला आहे. स्नेह सोहेल, what is your roll number? Sohel, what is your roll number?
अठरा.
18
Plus 18.
Its answer, yeah?
18, sir.
18.
हा
Yes,
18.
sir.
हा, आता एक का आता कोणीच बोलू नका. मी ज्यांना विचारलं त्यांनी सांगा फक्त. मी ज्यांना विचारलं त्यांनी सांगा. धनश्री लोखंडे, व्हॉट इज युअर आन्सर? धनश्री लोखंडे, व्हॉट इज युअर आन्सर? Sohail Sayyed, what is your answer?
-2.
Sohail, it's wrong one, Sohail. How it is -2?
6, sir.
Huh?
6.
It's wrong one, Dhanashri. Please check the calculation. Yes, Abhijit?
Sir, 18.
18, okay.
Sir, answer is 18.
Ashish Borade. Are you there, Ashish?
Sir, answer
22.
is 18.
22.
Ashish, answer is 22. How is 22? Wrong one.
Sir, 18.
Maximum people's 18 आले म्हणजे
Sir, 80 answer.
हा आशिष रॉंग वन. आशिष मॅक्झिमम पीपलचं 18 आलंय, तुमचं 22 कसं आलंय? ओके, द आन्सर इज 18. यश कुठे आला? यश आन्सर
Yes, sir.
आन्सर आला +18. The answer is 18. Answer is 18.
18.
Okay, so this is the thing, but you are a determined basic thing. So we stop here. We stop here.